дорогие друзья!
Hello and welcome to Grammar Lesson 5, Part 4 of the Practical Russian course for beginning and intermediate students. In this lesson you will learn how to speak about time and continue with the genitive case after numbers 2, 3 and 4. Remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow. See the Grammar Lesson 5 Part 1 for singular endings in the genitive case for masculine, feminine and neuter gender of nouns. Use the singular ending in the genitive case after numbers 2, 3 and 4. For numbers 5 to 20, use the plural ending of. For example,
Два слона,
2 elephants,
три машины,
3 cars,
четыре яблока.
4 apples. To ask what time is it, use
Сколько времени? О, который час?
Note that chess is in the nominative case and is commonly used for one when you speak about time.
Два часа,
2 o'clock,
три часа,
3 o'clock,
четыре часа,
4 o'clock,
пять часов.
5 o'clock. Note the plural ending.
Шесть часов,
6 o'clock,
семь часов,
7 o'clock,
восемь часов,
8 o'clock,
девять часов,
9 o'clock,
10 часов,
10 o'clock,
11 часов,
11 o'clock,
12 часов,
12 o'clock,
13 часов,
1300 hours,
14 часов,
1400 hours,
15 часов,
1500 hours,
16 часов,
1600 hours,
17 часов,
1700 hours,
18 часов,
1800 hours,
19 часов,
1900 hours,
20 часов,
2000 hours,
21 час,
2100 hours. Note that chess is in the nominative case because 2100 hours
21,
ends in 1.
22 часа,
2200 hours,
23 часа,
2300 hours,
24 часа,
2400 hours,
полночь,
midnight,
Пол.
means half. Here are the times of day. Compare.
Ночь.
Night,
Час ночи.
1 a.m.
День.
Day,
Час дня.
1 p.m.
Утро.
Morning,
5 часов утра.
5 a.m.
Вечер.
Evening,
7 часов вечера.
7 p.m.
Час ночи.
1 a.m.
2 часа ночи.
2 a.m.
3 часа ночи.
3 a.m.
4 часа утра.
4 a.m.
6 часов утра.
6 a.m.
11 часов утра.
11 a.m.
12 часов дня.
1200 hours or 12 p.m.
Полдень.
Noon,
Час дня.
1 p.m.
2 часа дня.
2 p.m.
3 часа дня.
3 p.m.
4 часа дня.
4 p.m.
5 часов дня.
5 p.m.
6 часов вечера.
6 o'clock in the evening.
Восемь часов вечера.
8 o'clock in the evening.
Девять часов вечера. 10 часов вечера. 11 часов вечера. 12 часов ночи. 24 часа.
2400 hours.
Полночь.
Midnight. In this lesson, you have learned how to speak about time and continue with the genitive case after numbers 2, 3 and 4. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. Please subscribe and like this video.
До свидания.
And we will see you next time in the practical Russian course for beginning and intermediate students.